Hello everyone, this is Sunrise Game Dev. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make a click the dots game in Scratch by clicking the dot which is moving towards the cat so as to protect it. Now, let's start. Step 1. We will create the sprites we need. We click on choosing a sprite and add a flying cat as a new sprite. Then, I go to Events and add when green flag click. Go to Motion, add go to x equals 0 and y equals 0. So, when the game starts, the cat is positioned in the center. We can also set the cat to the center by changing the XY position. Then, I change the size of the cat to 70%. Next, we have to create the dots. Go to Paint, draw a circle as the dot. Step 2. Initializing the variables. Go to Variables and click Make a Variable. We have to create 3 variables. Score to record how many dots we have clicked. Lives to record how many chances we have left for preventing the dots from hitting the cat. And speed to indicate how fast the dots move. Then, at the code tape of the dots, we add when green flag click. Go to Variables, set Score to 0, set Life to 3, and set Speed to 2. Then go to Logs and add Hide. Next, step 3. Build the core mechanics of the game. The dots will appear randomly near the edge and move towards the cat. Go to Control, add a forever block. Add wait, pick random 0.5 to 1 seconds. Then add create clone of myself. So now every 0.5 to 1 seconds, one dot appears. We want to position clones at random edge and make them move towards the cat. Add when I start as a clone, then show. Here, we need a new block. Go to My Blocks and create a block named Go to Random Edge. Now, we have to define this new block. We then set one more variable named side. Add set side to pick random 1 to 4 block under this pink block. Add an if block. Set the condition as side equal 1. Then set x to pick random minus 220 to 220 and set y equal to 180. So now the dots will appear at the top edge randomly. We then copy these if blocks 3 times and change the corresponding x and y positions. So eventually the dots can appear randomly at all the edges. Then, we make the dots move towards the cat. Go to Motion, add point toward cat flying. Add set rotation style to don't rotate to prevent rotation. Add a forever block. Inside this block, add a move speed steps block. So the value of the variable speed is the movement speed of the dot. Then add if touching cat flying, change lives by -1 and delete this clone. So when the dot hits the cat, life is reduced by 1 and it disappears. Then we will build the script for scoring when click the dot. Add when this sprite click, change score by 1. Then delete this clone. Then we want to increase the speed gradually. Add when green flag click, add a forever block, wait 5 seconds, and change speed by 1. Now we move to step 4, making the game over logic. We click on the paint to make a new sprite. We make a rectangle with the word game over on it. In the game over code tape, set its position at the center. Add when green flag click, hide, and go to x equal to 0 and y equals to 0. Then add another when green flag click. Add a forever block. Add if lives equals 0, then broadcast game over. When I receive game over, add show and stop all. Now, the game is basically finished, but we can still add more effects to polish the game. We can add a background. I choose star as the background. Then click on the dot. Add a block for changing its color when it clicks and also when it hits the cat. And add wait 0.01 seconds. Now, the game is polished and let's check it out. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give me a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hope I can see you in the next video. Bye!